Hey everyone, this is Alex at All Security Equipment, and it's been a while that solar installation are on the rise. Why? Because technology has improved and gate operators are actually the perfect type of system to be used in conjunction with solar. Why? Because most of gate operators today function either on 12 volt or 24 volt, which is perfect for solar installation. If you are building a gate and you don't want to bring electricity from the house or from any place to the gate, the simplest way to set up your gate automation is to use solar power. Manufacturers usually send 10-watt solar panels with their system, which in our opinion are a little short. So at All Security Equipment, we always send 20 watts per 12 volt or 40 watts, for 24 volt system. That has been a great success. However, different states have different days of sunshine throughout the year, and it can be that it falls short. And in order to remediate that, we came up with a much bigger solar panels. This is a 120 watts solar panels, 24 volt. So this will only function for 24 volt gate operator system, not 12 volt. And the great thing is, like, instead of having two panels, it's just one panel that you need for your installation. However, most of gate operator control boards do not accept such high level of wattage. Up until today, we were just trying to stay below the threshold of the control board, so you don't have to use a solar charge controller. But today we have decided to really go beyond that and use these gigantic solar panels so you never run out of power at your gate, whether you're in Florida or in Seattle, Washington, northern part of the state of New York or Michigan or states like this. And so to go with these solar panels that I'm going to show you, we need to show the back. So as you can see, it comes with a very nice, very upscale connection system. So that way you don't have to do any manual connection. It just clips on. And then you can buy the cables, so you can connect the solar panel very easily with those connections, and you're not going to mess them up because they are black and white are different, positive and negative are different, and they are about 20 feet. They are sold as a package, of course, and they are again 20 feet, so you can connect the solar panel to the battery of the gate operator and then to the solar charge controller, and then here you have the solar charge controller that you have to use with these solar panels. As soon as you go above 30 watts per 12 volt of solar panels, you do not want to connect directly to the board. And actually, best practice is to always use a solar charge controller when connecting solar panels. This little device will make sure that the power that comes to the gate operator is always optimized and balanced. And then of course, when you have such big size solar panels, you need to make sure that you have the bracket that fits the bill as well, and make sure that it's sturdy enough to carry, because those panels are not lightweight panels. I don't know if there is any weight on this, but they are probably about, I would say, 20 pounds. So to make sure that nothing breaks, we have this really heavy duty bracket that is totally adjustable. So you can adjust the width and then you can adjust the tilt. So that way, when you hook it up, you can adjust the tilt and the angle to make sure you get maximum solar exposure of your solar panels. It comes also with two metal collars in case of a post-mount application. And of course, if you have it on a wall or a column, you can just bolt it directly to the wall or the column. Thanks for watching. And as usual, check the description below for all the links to these products, and we'll see you in the next video.